Today is Tuesday, June 4th, and this is another update on my progress beating the S&P 500 along with the Ark Innovation ETF. I do make these videos every Tuesday and Sunday, so if you want to follow along, hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. Between Monday and today, I decided not to make any position changes at all to my portfolio. I really like the way that it's set up right now, and I don't really have all that much cash to work with anyway, so it kind of works out good. The SPY chart looks exactly like what I was hoping it would look like. The price is above the 5-day and the 15-day moving average. The 15-day moving average, which is the black line, has also held above the red trend line. I've also added this green trend line. The way that I have it set up is that if the trend line is green, that's essentially the next target that we're trying to get to. And if it's red, we don't want to cross below that, which is why I view this one down here as the floor. As long as we don't cross and stay below that for a couple days, we should be all good. I'm hoping over the next couple of days we can cross above it. It would be just below 1.25% move to get there. So these are all my current positions. Right now, Nvidia, Apple, Google, Microsoft, and C3 AI make out my top 5. And those 5 account for 51.42% of my portfolio. There's definitely a lot more red in my portfolio right now than I'd like to see, but I do think that they all stand a pretty good chance to recover, which is why I'm going to hold on to them. Nvidia is definitely helping out my portfolio, being my biggest position, and it's up 23.39%. The next biggest one helping out my portfolio is C3 AI, which accounts for 8.55% of my portfolio, and that has a gain of 15.08. I'm still going to hold off adding to Snap until it drops a little bit more. I would just hate to add to it prematurely and then have it drop even more after I've already added to it. I do have 7.67% of my portfolio sitting in cash. Since Monday, my portfolio gained 0.62%. The S&P 500 had a gain of 0.20, and the Ark Innovation ETF had a gain of 1.84%, which brings us year to date. My portfolio has a gain of 16.66. The S&P 500 is at a gain of 11.57, and the Ark Innovation ETF on the year has a loss of 14.40. That's all I got for today. I do make these videos every Tuesday and Sunday, so if you want to follow along, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you on Sunday.